Hey guys, it's me, Seth.
Hey guys, it's me, Liz, and you're watching Listen.
Oh, my lips so luscious. That's probably the reason all these boys got crushes.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you.
Today we're making slime.
And we
already
are
have our
making
glue.
clear slime, so we have our glue, and she's doing blue. I'm just doing regular clear foam bead slime.
Okay,
Should I add a little more, because I'm supposed to do more than this?
I know. Sorry about that.
You can add it.
Yeah, but I have a taller thing.
Yeah, I know.
That's why. So it flaps out.
Yeah, we're just gonna, I'll get the contact lens solution. We're using contact lens solution.
Wait, you're already activating yours?
Yeah, because I'm adding the foam beads at the end.
Yeah, make sure it's, you know.
Wait, should we just mix with our hands? I'm just mixing with my hands.
Oh, I was gonna get a spoon.
Okay, well then whatever. And guys, I only have like a little at a time, or I can have the borax.
Okay. So, I'm gonna pour mine in. This is metallic blue. So if you were just wondering.
Jeez, Sophia, you added a lot.
I know. I love. Yeah, that was a little too much. Wait, hold on, guys. My sister. I'm gonna get my sister real big.
Oh,
So
sorry.
we put it. More
Sorry
like
if you
this.
can't see our face, but we're just.
We just
trying
wanted
to,
you to see the slime. This is how mine looks. So far.
Obviously, you guys can see mine because it's just clear.
And a little more.
Sophia, you already said that was a lot before.
Okay, now I gotta get the. Oh, you have to get baking soda. Get the baking soda.
Is it in here?
Yeah, but grab it by the bot. Don't do it. It's okay.
No wonder why I've just been adding contact lens solution. Oh, just add it in there. Add some in here.
That's not what you do.
Add only like a pinch.
Yeah. But for clear slime, you have to add just a tad more. If it starts to get thick, that's good. Oopsie, wrong one.
Sophia, I know what you're trying to do.
I'm not trying to sabotage.
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 Here, I'll add some in this. No, I won't sabotage it.
No, I like to do it. It's satisfying. Or is it just me that feels like it's satisfying?
It's not satisfying. It's just activator.
No, whatever. Well, with my slime, it's satisfying.
And guys, wait, Sophia, add it in the ends, cause that's what I do a lot. I just add it in the ends, cause that's where it mostly is, in the ends.
It looks super light on camera.
But it's actually super dark.
And just saying, this is a day after the video that you probably just saw before. Guys, it kind of cut up, but what we were talking about was
We're adding 3 musicals that we did earlier.
Yeah, so yeah.
At the light when she caught my attention. Remember when she played with my heart and
Hey, let me hear that whole Jeff. Oh, rank one. Hot
lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become.
We did a lot, but how many are we gonna do? All of them?
No, we were just going to do 3.
Okay, we just did 3, so yeah, as you guys saw. I have a big chunk of.
That's why I like to do it in clean bowls, but that never happens. Sorry for the background noise.
Yeah, there's a log on right now.
Mine's almost done.
Same.
We're gonna watch a movie later too. This is gonna
Oh, are we not seriously?
down with a little bit. And the morning comes.
I'm gonna use my hands
Uh-oh.
soon
My thing's starting.
to run out. Do you have more?
No.
Then we have to use borax.
Oh wait.
Sophia, you've used a lot.
I know, that's probably why.
Mine's coming like very soon together. You know, my brother's friend literally lives like right up the road from you.
Does?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, what's his name?
Brad. He's not in your neighborhood though.
Oh. Wait, I'm gonna try adding more baking soda.
Yeah, can you add a little bit? Thank you. Add a little bit more, Sophia. Okay, that's good. Thank you. Are you adding foam beads too?
Yeah. Oh shoot. I was about to almost activate it fully. So I'll be back when I get the foam beads.
No, I didn't. It was like a month after that.
No.
Yeah, because you were in school too. Like, you just got back from school and then like a week, 2 weeks later. Oh, this would have been cool if it was clouds. It'll be like,
Okay, I think I'm done with my slime.
think I'm
We're gonna do ASMR.
not right now though, because I'm not that.
Yeah, but
done.
once we're done.
Not much of a ball gown.
Maybe a good break would help.
How's the guest list? What's going on?
Okay, guys, so that was our ASMR with our slime. So remember to comment down below which one's better.
Make sure to like
Subscribe
and hit those notifications.
so you can get notified every time we post. Sorry, Sophia always does that, but That
Young Metro, don't trust you. I'm gonna shoot you.
On game.